good day everyone. So our topic for today is sensible heating. So in problem 1 we have 2 cubic meter per second of air at 22 degrees Celsius and 50% of relative humidity is heated to 55 degrees Celsius. Then the saturation pressure is at 22 degrees Celsius equals 2.645 ppa. So given this, we have mass of air, we have 2 cubic meter per second and at 22 degrees Celsius and 50% of RH. And at 55 degrees Celsius, we have saturation pressure is 22 degree equals 2.645 kilopascal. So solution is we have humidity ratio equals 0.62 times 1.3225 over 101.325 minus 1.3225. So we have the answer 0.00823 kilogram per kilogram. So and then next is we have V1. V1 is equals to 0.287 times 225 over 100.0025. Then the answer is we have 0.847 cubic meter per kilogram. Then next is we have to solve the mass. Mass is equals to 2 times over 0.847 to get the 2.361 kilogram per second. So in the number 2, determine the heat required to raise 0.8 cubic meter per second of air from 15 degrees Celsius and 60% of RH to 25 degrees Celsius. So we have to given at 15 degrees Celsius dew point temperature and 16% of RH. We have H1 34.2 kilojoules per kilogram. Then we have V1 is 0.856. Then our humidity ratio 1 and W2 is same. We have 0.064 kilogram per kilogram. Then at 35 degrees Celsius humidity, we have H2. We have 54.8 kilojoules per kilogram. Then solution is we have this formula M equals V over V1. So we put the given, we have 0.8 over 0.826, so then we get the 0.968 kilogram per second. The next is we have Q equals mass times H2 minus H1. So it put the given, we have mass of 0.968 kilogram per second and at times 54.8 minus 34.2 kilojoules per kilogram. So cancel the kilogram to get the kilowatts. Then we have 19.94 kilowatts.